Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome. You are listening to AI with Shaylee. I'm Shailendra Kumar. Next time you're stuck in bumper to bumper city traffic, I want you to do something. Look up. That empty space above our streets, it's about to become the busiest highway in the world. We are currently witnessing the birth of what experts call the fourth urban layer. Drones are evolving from hobbyist toys into critical city infrastructure. Driven by an AI traffic control market expected to soar to over $8 billion by 2033. These systems are now handling everything from real time flight routing to collision avoidance. In cities like Madrid and Philadelphia, AI powered drone swarms are already monitoring air quality and using thermal imaging to spot water main failures before they turn into floods. I remember when I first started working with neural networks, the idea of a drone swarm felt like pure science fiction, something out of a Hollywood movie. But seeing nature inspired algorithms allow 100 drones to move in perfect harmony like a flock of birds is a powerful reminder of how far we've come. It's no longer about just flying, it's about a city that can finally see and react in 3 dimensions. But have you ever wondered, if the sky gets this crowded, how does an AI decide which drone gets the right of way in an emergency? Here's a quick bonus tip for you. If you're looking at AI for your business, don't just focus on the automation, focus on edge computing. Like these drones, the real power happens when data is processed right where the action is, not just in a distant cloud. As someone once said, the sky is not the limit, it is the beginning. I'd love to hear your take. Are you ready for a sky full of helpful robots, or does it feel a bit too much like the Jetsons? Catch me on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, or Medium to share your thoughts. Drop a comment and let's discuss. I'm Shailendra Kumar, and this has been AI with Shaylee. See you in the next one. Next